various kinds of precipitation, with the most common, of course, being rain. Now, there are an endless number of terms you could use to describe rain. A light rain that barely falls as more than fog is a mist, a downpour, or torrential rain, big old raindrops, but this is just liquid water coming down. So what happens? Once the evaporated water vapor reaches the level where it begins to cool down, a couple different things can happen. It can, under certain conditions, it turns directly to liquid water and falls as rain. Under most conditions, though, first it freezes, then it falls, then it melts as it falls, and hits the ground as rain. Then it can stay frozen, and depending on how it freezes, if it freezes in a nice, slowly and gently and orderly fashion, it glows as a crystal, and you get those famous hexagonal snowflakes. If it freezes quickly, it can form just solid balls of ice. Now, when this happens, the evaporated water goes up, freezes as it goes up, starts to fall again, and gains water. As it falls, it melts a little bit, and then it goes back up again, and it gains a little more. And every time it goes up and down again, it gains another layer of ice. This gives you those big old balls of hail. When water falls and is somewhat frozen and somewhat liquid as it falls, we call that sleet. Then you get freezing rain that falls as a liquid, but freezes as soon as it contacts the ground. That is very dangerous and can cover the world in ice. So those are the basic kinds of precipitation. You have your rain, your snow, sleet, and hail. I'm sure there are many more variations. What interesting kinds of precipitation have you experienced? When you have long, sustained bouts of precipitation, you get storms with thunder and lightning. You can have a light shower. Tell me about the precipitation that you've experienced.